Hello everyone, my name is Elham and today at CJAC we're creating candy sleighs. You could use your candy sleighs as a stocking filler, as a Christmas ornament, or a gift for your friends and family. Let's get started. A few items are needed for your candy sleighs. Candy canes, an assortment of miniature candies or chocolates, a couple of chocolate Santas, and your chocolate toppings, and your hot glue. We're gonna go ahead and create our candy sleigh, but first we're gonna have to create our foundation. So grab any flat surface candy, and we're gonna build our sleigh from there. I'm gonna grab 2 Twixes, and what we're gonna use is the glue gun right here to keep this glued to our base. Right here. Okay. I'm gonna use them horizontally, and what I'm going to do next is stack the presents to create that sleigh. Once you've created the foundation to your sleigh, let's go ahead and start stacking them. I'm going to take 2 of the shorter chocolates and put them on top of our Twix. Put it right here. Fold that down. Good. Okay. Once you stacked your miniature chocolates, we're gonna go ahead and add our presents and our Santa. You only need a little bit of hot glue, so just add a tiny bit to your chocolate or candy and start stacking them. Just like that. We'll dab and press. I wanted to create a full sleigh, so you could add as much candy and chocolate as you'd like. That is totally up to you. Now we're gonna pick our Santa and just put a little hot glue at the bottom of your chocolate right there. Okay. Perfect. Now that we have our sleigh built, let's go ahead and attach them to our candy canes. You're gonna need 2 candy canes for this. Add a little bit of hot glue to your candy cane and attach that to the base of your sleigh. Just like that. Hold it down. Okay, that looks good. And let's go ahead and do the same process to the other cane. Okay. Perfect. Well, there you have it, guys, candy sleighs. I hope you guys had an amazing time creating these. Catch us next Tuesday for National Cupcake Day. We're creating Christmas tree cupcakes.